Kajing ekran halor kajing Thung Director General of Police DGP kabaki seng san pertai ki pakentup ya ka Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kabadan nakaliang sensyar bat ka Voice of People Party VPP kabadan nakaliang persya bat ki katu kaningut kinong mikmat ki badawa badi bantung nakalong kumi IPS ida shisha nongrang kababat ya ka kam kum ga DG Civil Defense and Home Guards menta ka syong ha ka bor jong ka Sorkar jila katba ka Sorkar jila ka shpo trik ujumang arjar pusaw kala pensngo baka jingtung kan dei bet da u ne ka brio ki babyang bat ki bala man syakri bat ban benrap ba ya kini ka kam ka Sorkar jila ka ap ya ka jingyo jingmenjur na ka Election Commission of India namar ka dei ha ka por baka Model Code of Conduct kadang Treikam hakari India borok kawai na ka jingdon ka election MP Lok Sabha ya kini la pensngo do Deputy Chief Minister babat ya katanat Home Police ba Preston Tingsong habakran syakilat patai kubor ka bawlaong ka Sorkar kalada banrai hendai ka aptang ya ka jingyo jingmenjur na ka Election Commission of India.
Let me just tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing. Now about 3-4 days back, we already sent the proposal to the Election Commission and we are awaiting the approval of the Election Commission. If we receive today or tomorrow, appointment will be made.
Nakajing menjur ke UPSC kibadan nakatup banca ajiat banchimti kum DGP Thymmai hapok kejala hadian banchong thaj u DGP bamenta u Dr. LR Bishnoi ka khat khandai tarik jumang arjab saw ki kentup yalai teli ki kerteng ka kong ida shisha nongrang 1992 batch URP Mina 1993 batch bat Utipak Kumar 1994 batch kajingang nur banyo pyang no do DGP Pathumai kanum dan jing ndai ka Shillong tang bansio jing menjur na ka Election Commission of India namar ka wei na ki jilla hapo kari India kadang syudap bantung yo he officer katanat pulit hakar tarik ujemang arjar saw kata tang sisngi dien pasong thaj officer IPS kumu DGP kani ka dei halor ka jilla Himachal Pradesh ka ba ka Sorkar jilla kala Thung yo Dr. Atul Verma ubadeu IPS officer naka 1991 batch kumu Director General of Police DGP jongate ka jilla Verma ubolong kumu Director General jong Crime Investigation Department CID Himachal Pradesh ula sha Thung kumu DGP tang Maria Shong thaj u DGP barem Sanjay Kundu